Yay, the bull run is here. Now everybody's happy, everyone is happy, even those that are not into cryptocurrency and all that. Everyone is saying, wow, it's time to make money, internet money, free money, and all that. Just put $100, and before you know it, everything will shoot up to times 100, and you will make so much money, and everyone is happy. As a matter of fact, I have people right now who are into digital products and online business. They are stopping those business right now to focus on cryptocurrency. And what I want to tell you in this video is this: you are going to lose if you dare invest in cryptocurrency right now. Now listen up. There are things you can do, but listen up. If you just invest right now, you're going to lose your money. Here's why I say so. This period is a period where various things happen. The first thing that can happen in this period is this: there's going to be wealth transfer in this period. Secondly, there's going to be a lot of profit. Thirdly, there's going to be a lot of loss. People will lose so much money. Then you are going to have the season of scams. I call it the season of scams. A lot of people are going to be scammed this same season. Then finally, there will be a lot of deceptions. Now, the first one is wealth generation. This period right now, those that decide to invest 5 years ago, when the market went up and they invested and they waited, the market refused to go up. They never made anything out of it, but they kept their investment without touching it. As a matter of fact, they keep buying. When the thing was going down, they keep buying. They were averaging down, and they were doing it because it was an investment. They see it as an investment, and they knew that this is going to be a long-term plan for me. Those guys are going to be making so much money right now. They're going to be cashing out, right? At that point, some people's portfolio went down to up to like $3,000. All their portfolio that they spent a lot of money to invest in various cryptocurrency on. But right now, when they check it, they saw over $20,000 because of what they did. Second category simply means that you're going to be making so much profit if you bought when these cryptocurrencies are very low. Like if you bought as little as last month, Dogecoin was about 10 cents. If you bought Dogecoin last month when it was 10, 11 cents, now at 33, 36, 38, 40 cents, you would have made times 4 of what you invested. That is about timing. That simply means that you knew what was going to happen, or you decide to jump into it at the right time, right? That's another option. That's when you make profit. Then the third category of people are people that are going to be making so much loss. Right now, a lot of people will be wrecked. Those people that decide to sell when the stuff refuses to go up, now they are entering the market again, they will lose their money. Because people like us who have been holding for a long period of time, about 5 years now, right now we're just waiting for it to go up a little bit so that we can sell. And the moment we sell, we're going to be making profit from you guys that are entering the market now. And that is how you are going to be making your own loss. So don't even try to enter crypto right now, except if you have certain kind of intel and certain kind of cryptocurrency that have not gone up yet, and that you are still hoping that the fundamentals will make it to go up. That is an expert knowledge you have to do that. As a beginner, you mostly don't have that type of understanding. So do not enter in right now. If not, you will lose your money. Scams. People are going to tell you, go and join this platform. Go and join this. Oh, double this cryptocurrency. Put it here. When you put it, when you circle, the thing will go up. You will make money. There will be a lot of scams. They are coming back. They happen every bull run. Every single bull run comes with a different type of scam. You will see a lot of it from now to next year. There will be so much scams in the industry, right? And a lot of people are going to lose money at that as well. Don't be among those. Then there will be deception. Those that are making money right now, they are going to be telling you, go and join, because they know that if you are joining, you are going to be the cash cow. You will not join now and want to leave now. You will join, and because of you join, it's going to go up a little bit or a lot, and they will double their money. And you, who is a newbie that don't know how to go about it, 90% you are going to be greedy and you will wait, because you'll be expecting that the money is going to go up to 1,000%. That is where you will lose your money. Deception will be the order of the day in this crypto season of the bull run. So what is my advice? If you want to go, you have two options: the short term or the long term. The short term is this: you look for somebody who is an expert, who can guide you, who can show you, pay the person to show you cryptocurrency that are not yet gone up with good potentials and good fundamentals. Invest in those. And when you invest in those, you need to have a long-term approach, that you are not just investing in those for you to be able to just make billions immediately, which in some cases is possible, depending on how much you invested and also the type of cryptocurrency and the right timing for you to get out of it. The long-term individuals are the ones I want to talk to right now. Those people with business, you see have your side hustle, you see have your freelancing, you see have your skill, you see have your digital products, but you want to invest in cryptocurrency. Yes, you can look for cryptocurrency when they go down a little bit. Buy them. Don't buy them because you are going to make money instantly. Buy them, enter the market, and hope that if it goes up, you will cash out. if we refuse to go up, have it in mind that you are going to be averaging down. We call it dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging, if you buy, for instance, Dogecoin, right now is 39 cents, right? If you buy Dogecoin at 39 cents, have the mindset that if it goes to all-time high about 75 cents or $1 above all-time high, you're going to sell and make money. That's times 3. But if it keeps going down, you're going to be dollar cost averaging. When it goes to 23, you buy. 17, you buy. 11, you buy. If it ever gets to 9 again, you buy. Because you are not just buying, you are investing in an asset that you believe over the long term, you're going to get your money back. The money I invested 5 years ago is still, in fact, the value of that money right now is times 10 just because of inflation alone. The value of that amount has increased on its own, minus the profit I'm going to be cashing out from the investment. So that's how to look at it in this season, because people are going to scam you. You are going to be deceived. If you're just coming into the system, you will lose a lot of money. So don't do that. Make sure you have a business. Once you have a skill, turn it into a product, offer it as a freelancer, serve people with your ability, and be doing that. From the profit, be getting some of these crypto and buy them and keep. But if I want to advise you to buy, don't even buy now. Do not buy now. Wait for it to go down a little bit. When people are saying, oh, it's dead, it's not working again, it's not going to go up, that is where you should buy. And at this point now is when people are selling already or people are about to sell. Don't enter the market now. Wait for it to go down, or look for the one that is good that have not gone up yet. Invest. When you do that, invest based on guidance. Have somebody to mentor you, right? Have a guide, somebody to be by your side to show you what to do. If you can do that, you're good to go, right? See you in the next one. Go and create digital products. Go and turn your skill and expertise into a service for somebody, provide value and make money, and invest that money into different type of assets so that you can create more money for yourself. See you in the next video.